Hi guys, this is Althea Vega, and today's video I'm going to be making adobo. And here are the ingredients to make adobo. First we have chicken, then we have garlic, onion, and magic sarap, and, and bay leaves. Then of course we have vinegar and soy sauce. And lastly we have potatoes. So right now we are going to use pressure cooker to cook adobo. First, let's heat up some oil. And then let's saute garlic. Let's mix it and don't let it burn. Just stir it continuously. When it's about to brown, we need onion. Let's stir it continuously. Careful guys, make sure that you have supervision from your parents. Then let's add the chicken. Baka nakatayo na naman yun ha. Let's stir it continuously again. Then let's simmer it for 3 minutes. Add the bay leaves. And then let's add the bay leaves.